Thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily, jumping right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin at it again. Bitcoin at it again. Gemini in trouble because they violated the U.S. Exchange Act. Not good. They didn't register their interest-bearing accounts as securities. We'll see more and more and more and more of this because probably nobody did. Just guessing, but they failed. These high interest loans to just, man, it's just really crushed the market. I mean, obviously there's so many things that have crushed the market, but it's just like another thing that people had money in and now it's gone, all of it. You know, this market's going to take some time to recover based on this idea, but I want you guys to look at this falling wedge. Now, I've got multiple touches on this falling wedge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 7 here, and this is Coinbase Tether. When this breaks out, the measured move of this, and it's 68% chance it breaks out to the upside. The measured move is $28,000, right? If this is drawn perfect. Again, it's slightly different, drawn on different exchanges. Which exchanges is the right one? You know, they're all a little bit different, but again, you're looking for major upside finally out of Bitcoin, and really the altcoins need to recover. However, it's not amazing to see all this negative news, and we've got some more in just a second. Bitcoin daily, this is not just Bitcoin, this is a daily crypto trading volume, falls below $10 billion for the first time since 2020. This market's seen a slowdown, and I told you bear markets, max pain. This is what we're talking about. So now if we look at the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, we talked about the fact that multiple times the price action came up and got rejected and acted as support, rejected. And now you see the price actions trailing lower. If you lose the mid-range, you've already lost the 200 simple on the 4-hour time frame. If you lose the mid-range, I mean, you've got probably be some buyers stacked at about 16,000. There'll be some buyers stacked at 15,880. And then most of the buyers will be sitting down here at 15,700 and 15,500. So you want to hold this level. And again, this doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be a straight line. This can be all kinds of choppiness, and you know, hopefully it turns around, but we're going to dive deep and we want to see what the dollar's doing because the dollar is calling a lot of the shots right now. This is CME Bitcoin futures. So we talked about this exact idea in the last video where this same arrow line was the resistance. You had this kind of double top. And you see after the market opened, you had a gap to the downside. See how there's no candle right here. So you gap down below this support, right? So this was here, this support. So now you're sitting right here at 1625, 225. Next level down, 15,850. You've got some RSI oversold bounce ideas possible on the 2-hour chart, but you lose this support level, and again, downside ideas. So you want to see Bitcoin miracle mission regain this level. There's just not a whole lot of strength in the market right now, and so it's understand to trade accordingly. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person joined the group, paid for 6 months. He says, I was part of the group years ago. I made $50,000 cash on your calls, took $30,000 out of that money, invested in an ICO, and he made $8 million bucks. Since the current market conditions are difficult, he needed some more guidance, and that's what we do, guide you to make smart moves in this market. This person, BNB, short, 224% banger. This person, not even 21 years old, he's at $100,000 portfolio. Imagine that. I definitely didn't have 100 grand sitting in the bank when I was in college. Look at this chart we nailed. This is high doodles. I don't even know what it is, and I don't care, but I know we bought it right here on December the 22nd, 2022. And this thing has been on fire. Parabolic price action. And it's got to be in the right coins. That's all there is to it. The high coins, we'll call it, have been banging. High doodles has been up 147%, 450%. This was Hodge. He hit AOG. Race Fi trip hit 106%, 121%. Dude, when you're doubling your money on these trades, money comes quick. This person, he's like, I paid for the 6-month membership. In a few hours, I was up at $850. I paid for the entire group in less than 4 hours. Yeah, the group pays for itself. It's a no-brainer. This is the biggest no-brainer in the history of man. I had so many people rejoining the group, coming back to where the money is made. We're going to continue the discount. So right now it's 60% off if you pay in crypto, and an additional $100 off. I'm going to make sure you're in the best setups, period. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. If you have any questions about joining, send me an email, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Entrepreneur group, I'm here for you. Alameda wallets become active after Sam Bankman-Fried bails out. The community mulls foul play. So the recent movement of funds from Alameda wallets just days after Sam Bankman-Fried was released on bail raised many eyebrows about the timing. I wouldn't raise eyebrows about the timing when Sam Bankman-Fried just bails out of jail, and then all the corporations, previous companies started moving money around. I mean, are you serious? Like, sometimes it's like, this is like a fairy tale. I can't make this stuff up. Now, the DXY, this is very important. You need the DXY to break through this support level to give some altcoin and Bitcoin relief. Otherwise, stocks, crypto, altcoins, if this bounces, you're going to see a lot more downside, right? And so the DXY is important to watch. Now, this is a total altcoin market cap for all of crypto. You take the top 125 altcoins, you add them together, right? You had a 28% pullback and a 13% bounce, and it gave it all back, all of it back. Now, if this thing breaks lower, it's make or break for altcoins, dump level. Here it is. You can watch. You can go to Google total 2 space Tradingview, pull this up. We'll draw this line and watch and see if altcoins are going to just completely get smashed. If that happens, Ethereum, which Ethereum is weak anyway, you have this run up here, rejection, run up here, rejection. Here you got support, 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 right? Here you got some support. Now you're here. This is a ceiling and this is a rejection, and you're at this trend line, trend line, trend line. Okay. So the ceiling is here. You're headed lower. This is not amazing. I mean, potentially you could draw this as a bear flag to the downside. I mean, yeah, there's some support down here at $986. Imagine picking up some Ethereum sub 1,000. It's entirely possible. I mean, you could see a lot lower prices in this market. High noodles. These are the coins I'm talking about, you guys. This is what we're trading. It doesn't even look like they're from the same planet. The VIP link in the description. Trade these Kucoin. These small caps are crazy easy to make a ton of money on. ES1. Okay. We talked back here when we said ES1. This is a high. This is a, you had lower high, lower high. This is a lower high. Okay, so every time after each one of these lower highs, you've had a lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. So guess what you're working on? you're in a downtrend. Stocks are getting destroyed. This thing continues. I mean, you could get a bounce and a relief rally, but again, unless you get a breakout, these stocks are going to get hammered. I mean, you could find some support down here as far as a double bottom goes, and that would be a bullish sign, but still, you got a long way down. I don't think this helps crypto. I mean, Bitcoin's not following it as much as it was, but it definitely doesn't help Bitcoin to see this thing just keep on sliding to the downside. Real quick, just to kind of dive deeper into this foul play. So FTX, I mean, they have the wallets swapping. The transfer of funds from Alameda wallets raised community curiosity. Well, yeah, I say so. The Alameda wallet was found to be swapping bits of ERC20s for Ether, Tether, and then ETH and USDT were funneled through instant exchangers and mixers. Why is that a red flag? Mixers. Why is that exchangers? Why is that a red flag? Are you guys freaking kidding me? Like, what? Dude, this is gonna be a movie. Like Bernie Madoff. Like, this is Bernie Madoff is nothing compared to what's happening here. Like, this is, there's going to be a point where the United States government has to throw a book at these guys. Like, you can't, like, I know Sam Bankman-Fried, he donated $70 million to multiple politicians, but you can't let the guy go. $250 million bail, stay at your house, and then all the money starts moving around. So here, poof, 300 Ethereum. There you go. You just follow it along the way. They tracked it. They're tracking it. They're tracking it. They're tracking it. They're tracking it. The call is coming from inside the house. Alameda ETH address. Digging around the sofa for a spare change, some spare change, and pulling money out while he is out on just disbelief. Like, it's sickening to see. This is U.S. Department of Justice probing a $372 million FTX exploit. So, and they're continuing to do so. And you let the guy out, and this is happening. Black eye on top of a black eye for crypto. This is really disappointing how this has played out. So, obviously, people have lost their life savings on this and other things that have happened in crypto. My heart goes out to you guys. But keep on coming back to this channel every single day. We'll get you up to speed, giving you some setups so you can recover some losses, get the gem pick bangers rolling again. But the high doodles, the high coins on Kucoin have been banging. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.